Please, the next time you get a voice note from your mom, from your dad, from your brother, from your sister, from your cousin, from your close friend through a strange number telling you they need so amount, that police did this, or they are kidnapped, or they're in the hospital, or whatever reason, but they need some funds so that they can fix that problem. Please make sure you verify the voice note, because the platform that I'm about to show you now is quite very scary. That what anyone needs is just a few minutes or a few seconds of your voice note, okay, from any of your video or from any of your audio recording, just to clone your voice, and it will appear exactly like your voice. And all that person needs is just to drop some text and write whatever he or she wants your voice to say, and this platform is going to use that same audio file to clone and say exactly the same thing with your own voice. All right, so make sure you verify any voice note you get from a strange number acting to be somebody that you know, that is very close to you, demanding for a certain amount of money just because of a certain problem that you're not aware of. All right, so I'm going to dive right into this video and show you a platform that you can use to clone anybody's voice, and it will appear exactly like the person's voice just by writing a text message or writing some write-ups with the person few seconds or few minutes audio. Now come over to this website, minimax.io, and create an account with your email on this platform. All right, once you come over to this section, you guys can see add or drop a file. You can drop an audio file, you can drop a video file, okay, or you can record an audio file just by clicking record. But I've just added a video file of mine, and this is the MP4 video file. If you play this video file, let's hear it. And literally call yourself anybody. And this video file has been derived from this video. This is the video that I just added on this platform. And literally call yourself anybody. Now, and I have just given a small write-up. Hello, my name is Kingsley and I'm a content creator. Please, my mom is in the hospital and needs an urgent attention. I will really appreciate if you can help me with some money. Now, after giving up your write-up, okay, this is my video file that I uploaded. I don't have any audio file, that is why I uploaded the video file. You can upload a video file or audio file. Now, after you upload a video file or audio file, all you need to do is come over here, and you can see this button is not active. But once you click here, this button becomes active. So what I need to do is come over here and click on generate. Once I click on generate, let's wait and see the outcome of this audio file that this platform is going to create. Let's see if it really sounds like my voice. All right, so you guys can see that this is done, and I am going to play this audio and see how it sounds, whether it sounds like my voice or not. Hello, my name is Kingsley and I am a content creator. Please, my mom is in the hospital and needs an urgent attention. I would really appreciate if you can help me out with some money. You guys can see how crazy this platform can be. So you guys can see that this platform has created an audio file just from a write-up with my voice. So with this platform, you can clone anybody's voice and the voice can be used for something crazy. Please, you guys should bear in mind that this video is only meant for educational purpose. I'm just enlightening you guys so that you guys can know that whenever you get a voice note from somebody or from a strange number claiming to be so person, make sure you verify that voice note and the number that sent the voice note to you before you send any money or do whatever thing that the voice note is demanding. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure you follow for more tips like this.